Your Excellency, our former President Uhuru Kenyatta, our Prime Minister Raila Odinga, former Vice President Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, and all protocols observed. We are here to celebrate the lives of the brave Kenyans who came out to express themselves, and their lives were ended. I was a victim of tear gas in Kangemi when I came out and I was leading a peaceful demonstration, and all of a sudden they came and dispersed us. Hiyo ndio inaonekana ya kwamba serikali iko na uoga na wanaokopa wananchi ambao they are supposed to rule them, to govern them. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema we are not going to slow down, tutaendelea na tutasimama na wananchi kwa sababu those are the mandate that we are given by the people of Kenya. Lazima tuendelee. Na ngapi wanasema lazima tuendelee? Lazima tuendelee, si ndio? Sisi tuko tayari, and we shall not fear those bullets. You can throw them as much as you can. We will buy even more. Sile magari za kurusha match, they are only used in South Africa, apartheid. Now they are being used on us here in a free Kenya. We condemn them in the highest level. God bless you.
Aya, asante sana Mheshimiwa Tim. Tuko na pulu ya Mheshimiwa Ladwa bado ako mafichoni despite him having anticipatory bail. The police are still hunting him down like an antelope. And let me also say this. The reason why